So that's all there was to it, just simple. It didn't even take me a half hour. Um, Maybe it's for the people who really don't know anything about anything. Like, they don't even know their way around a tool, and then they finally get their hands on a tool, and they're like, okay, well, just like IKEA, you have your pictures, and it's just 1, 2, and 3, right? So, but I guess if you know your way around a tool and you're not as dumb or idiotic as I am, you know, doing something like that should take you no more than, for a total time. So if I wasn't recording this video and I wasn't doing it myself, it would have taken about 5 minutes. But all together, with the demonstration and everything like that, it was a total of 7.5 minutes. I actually timed it. I don't have the watch on me, but I do remember when I started. So it was 8:50. No, right now it's 8:52, and the time that I started was 8 something with math related problems. 1 second. Yeah, there's like hardly any parking where I'm at, and we have this one vehicle here that's taking up the whole entire way. So this lady that's backing into a parking space, it's gonna back into that parking space right near the fences. But anyways, but yeah, if you know what to do and you're comfortable around a tool, it's easy as that. When you go online and you try to find the strut tower brace, they say that's out of stock, but if you just order it, it's just going to take a little bit longer than it was on stock. So normally if there's something in stock, it says 3 to 5 days. Just add another 4 days to that. That's about it. Anyways, I hope to see you guys again, and you guys be safe. And thanks for watching.